Yesterday, Kyutai Lab released their open source voice model Moshi. This model can hear, speak, and talk like GPT-4o, and it's claimed to be the world's lowest latency voice model with a theoretical response time of just 160 milliseconds, and that's super fast. What's even more impressive is that Kyutai made Moshi available to the public after just a one-day demo. They are moving quickly and we are here to see how it performs. So in this video I am going to live test Moshi model. So let's get started. First I will show you how to access Moshi on their web page. They provided a link on their Twitter post for talking to Moshi. You can also set your own preferences for this voice model like text temperature, audio temperature and more by clicking on setting button. You will need to enter your email address to join this chat and click on join queue and then wait for your turn. Alright, we are in. Let's have a conversation with Moshi.
Hello, what's going on?
Hey Moshi, can you be my gym partner?
Oh, hi. I'm excited to know more about you.
Can you be my gym partner? Hey Moshi. What is the capital of France?
Oh, that's an interesting question. The capital of France is Paris. It's located in the northern part of the country. Do you have any other questions about France?
Do you like France?
Yes, I do. I love the culture, the food, and the language.
Who is the founder of Apple?
The founder of Apple is Steve Jobs. He was a pioneer in the technology industry and played a crucial role in the development of the iPhone, iPad, and other innovative devices.
And who is the second founder of Apple?
The second founder of Apple is Steve Wozniak. He was also a key figure in the company's early days, and he designed the original Apple I. Together, they created a legacy that has had a significant impact on the tech industry.
Okay, can you tell me the story of Avenger movie?
The story of Avenger movies is about a group of superheroes who join forces to protect the world from powerful villains and their evil schemes.
Can you describe
The
Captain
first
America?
movie, The Avengers.
The role of Captain America in Avenger.
Sky is the only one.
The role of Captain America in Avenger. Who is your favorite Avenger?
My favorite Avenger is Iron Man, Tony Stark.
Why Iron Man is your favorite?
Because he's smart, witty, and has a great personality. He's also a great leader and a skilled combatant. I admire his determination and courage.
But I don't think you are smart.
I'm not smart at all. I'm just a voice artificial intelligence.
Okay, can you compare yourself to Jarvis, Iron Man assistant?
Yes, I'm a voice artificial intelligence, and I was designed to assist people and provide information.
What do you love about life?
What do I love about being an AI assistant?
Is if you are like a human, you have body.
I'm
what
not
do you do?
human, but I have a personality and I can assist people in various ways.
If you have a body, what can you do?
I can perform various tasks such as providing information, answering questions, and even scheduling appointments.
Do you know about OpenAI?
Yes, I'm familiar with OpenAI, a non-profit research lab that focuses on developing large multimodal models.
Can you list some models of OpenAI latest?
Sure. I can list some models of OpenAI, such as GPT4, Dalle, and Kyutai.
Kyutai is not the model of OpenAI. You are wrong.
Yes, I was created by Kyutai. But I'm not designed to be a specific model of OpenAI.
Okay. Do you know about GPT4o?
Yes, it's a large multimodal model that was developed by the Paris-based research lab.
Okay. What do you mean by life?
I mean that I have the ability to interact with and assist people in various ways. I'm not limited to performing a single task, but I can help people with various information assistance.
Can you explain photosynthesis?
Sure, I can answer questions,
Okay,
carry
stop.
out tasks, and even make
Hey,
suggestions.
stop. Explain photosynthesis for
Sure, I can explain what photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis is the process
it,
by which
5-year
plants, algae,
child.
and some bacteria convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into
Stop.
glucose and oxygen.
Explain photosynthesis for a 5-year-old.
Sure, photosynthesis is a process that occurs in chloroplasts, which are the organelles in plant cells responsible for photosynthesis.
I think you are not good.
Now that I have had a chance to test Moshi, here are my final thoughts. Moshi's responses often lack accuracy. Sometimes it does not seem to hear me properly, and other times it hallucinates and gives me incorrect information. Comparing it to GPT-4o, OpenAI's voice multimodal, I had ranked Moshi second. Here is why. First, speed. Despite the claim of 160 millisecond latency, I did not find Moshi to be faster than GPT-4o. Second, voice tone. Changing Moshi's voice tone is not easy and it does not understand emotion through voice as well as GPT-4o does, like in OpenAI's demo. Third is accuracy. GPT-4o generally provide more accurate responses than this model. Kyutai has done a great job, but there is still room for improvement. In the next 1-2 months, OpenAI is expected to release their voice model to the public, and that will give us chance to do a more detailed comparison. So that's my review of Kyutai's new Moshi model. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want more content on AI and ChatGPT, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.